From this to this. Want the same killer Jawline? It's much easier than you think. Just 4 steps. Let's dive in.
Step 1. The neck reset. Perform a horizontal chin tuck. As you tuck, relax your front neck and jump muscles to isolate the deep neck flexors highlighted in red. After hours of scrolling on your phone, your DNF becomes doormat. This is why slouching feels comfortable and sitting up straight feels exhausting. This is a must move to strengthen your neck core and fix your posture effortlessly. Step 2. The Hyoid Lift. Use your fist to resistance and push your jump down with max effort. Focus all your attention on the mylohyoid and digastric muscles. The hyoid is the only floating bone in your body. It's held entirely by muscles and ligaments. Strengthening those muscles lifts the hyoid bone, which instantly shrinks the volume of a double chin. Step 3. The tongue reset. Sweep your tongue across your up teeth from side to side. You can keep your mouth closed, just to make sure you don't pout. Everyone knows about moving, but most people lack the tongue strength to maintain it. This sweep builds that power. It starts easily, but you will definitely feel the burn after 20 seconds. Finally, the golden standard for depuffing. An exaggerated E-smile. Watch your platysma bands pop. This contraction squeezes your lymphatic vessels, flushing out fluid irritation fast. If you point to neck strain like me, support your neck with your hands. Stick with this for 16 days. You won't just get a razor-sharp jawline, you will get better posture and fewer neck lines. It's a win-win game.